Yeah, man, I see what's going on. Everything really wired up. You know what I'm saying? You gotta plug a lot of these hoses back. Well, I ain't gonna say hoses. A lot of these AC lines and gas lines, really plug all this stuff back up. Now I gotta get a radiator because I don't think the Trailblazer SS radiator is the same as the LT radiator. So, gotta get the Trailblazer SS radiator. Like I said, this alternator, the plug of this alternator doesn't go. Well, I meant alternator plug. This alternator plug doesn't go to this. It goes to the other alternator up there. So, now I figure that out. And Black didn't give me my fuse box. I like, bro, what a fuse box at, bro? I've been looking for it, and he didn't ever get it back to me. I told him, bro, yeah, I wait on, I need that, bro. I gotta have that, bro. You know what I'm saying? That slow me down. I got to have that. But I done figured all this stuff out, though, bro. Like, this, man, I done figured all this stuff out. All these plugs, this way go under the fuse box. I plug this up. All these plugs, all this stuff right here. All these plugs go right here, bro. On the fuse box, like, boom. That's how those go. I still been trying to figure out where this one go. It probably go on the block somewhere. Cause I don't think it go over here. Well, I ain't nothing to figure out like that. Y'all already know what all this is. I already described all that. You feel me? So, I already know what popping with that. Coming around, power stirrer pump. You can see where everything really connected though, bro. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see me in the junkyard. So Black didn't find a fuse box for the Trailblazer. So I went and got one. You know what I'm saying? Gotta go and finish these jobs up, bro. All gas, no brakes. MaddMarksCars, all gas, no brakes. Had to come get this thing. That done knocked me over my head for it. Got the heavy though. You feel me? I just tuned into that bill, man. Y'all see, shop bed. We got the shop bed in the garage. And the Trailblazer SS right in. Y'all see all the work I gotta do today. It ain't that bad like that. They should work off. They go right there. It ain't nothing though. It ain't nothing like that to replace. But yeah, shop bed. See them seats, little steering column. Steering column. Yeah. Them seats come about the other thing called. Look to see. I'm gonna take them out. Take them out of there. And I'm about to clean out the whole truck. Take all that down. And script the whole truck. Do everything. Everything gotta be fixed. We're going to do everything. And you gonna play with them. Yeah, you gonna play with them. I know this truck been sitting outside. It's sharp. It's been 2 years. Let's go with y'all. I want to see. Spark plug gone. Really not a bad truck at all. No AC, no new carburetor. That carburetor. Not a bad truck at all. I know how these cars, these trucks come around, man. Thing look like nothing to you. Just a little attention in it. Thing look nicer. Look how it go. It's all. I already got a little body work done to it. It's dirty, y'all, but go through it again. Ain't nothing but surface rough. Shit come right off. Get that little grab, but I ain't. Somebody tell me what these is in the comments, man. Let me know. Cause I don't know what they are. Let's see. Let's say it's sick or what? Let's say, man, that calculator. That mirror, I don't know, coming off anyway.